I am a 13-year-old girl, and I have never gone out with any friends. I don't mean that I don't have friends. I have many friends. I don't mean that I don't like going out. I love the feeling of going out. It feels very free. I want to go out with friends. But my mother tells me that I have different interest classes every day. I don't mean that I am not happy. I am very happy. I always get the first place in exams. I always get applause in performances. And my mother is always very happy. My mother's happiness is my happiness. I don't know why, but some people don't think so. They say I am a machine, a person without feelings. They say I am a pitiful person, a person without a life, a person who is not happy. They say I need to relax. I need to make friends. I need to have fun. They say I need to change. I need to grow. I need to be happy. I don't understand why they say that. I don't need their interference. I don't need their advice. I only need to be myself, do what I want to do what I should do. I only need to study. I don't mean that I am not normal. I am very normal. I am just an excellent student, a filial daughter, a promising talent. This is my only goal,